In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a new user account on Windows 11. Creating a new user account on Windows 11 is important for personalization, security, and privacy. It allows each user to customize their desktop, apps, and settings according to their preferences without affecting others. On your desktop, simply head to Settings. On the Settings page, select on this option of Account. You will then navigate onto this option of Other Users. Select on Add Account. Select right here on I don't have this person's sign-in information. On this other page, choose on Add a user without a Microsoft account. You will then enter the username for the newly created account. Proceed by entering the password. Re-enter the password. Make sure to enter all these 3 security questions and the answers too. These help you in case you forget your account password. Tap on Next to proceed. Your account will get created successfully. To log into your newly created account, just click right here and click on User. You will then select your account, enter your password, and get access to your newly created user account. This separate account enables the use of parental controls for child safety, ensuring a more secure and tailored experience for all users. That's how easy it is to create a new user account on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.